Today we're making chicken casserole. This recipe is easy, delicious, and tastes just like home. My name is Mari. Let's get started.
Yeah, I mean it tastes like home. It tastes like when our kids were young.
Yep, comfort food for sure. Okay, here is what you need to make this chicken casserole. It is very few ingredients. The first thing is the Pepperidge Farm cornbread stuffing mix. You can use whatever brand you want. I like the Pepperidge Farm. Then I need 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, about a couple tablespoons of finely chopped onion, 8 ounces of sour cream, and about 3 cups of cooked chopped chicken, a couple tablespoons of butter. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. All right, I'm going to spray a 9x13 casserole dish with some non-stick spray. I like to use this avocado oil spray. Okay. Mixing bowl, I'm going to add both cans of the cream of chicken soup. All right. Then I'm going to add the 8 ounces of sour cream. Okay. A couple of tablespoons of finely chopped onion. You can leave this out if you don't want the onion. Okay, give this a good mix. Now let's add the chicken. Just add that right into the soup mixture. And giving this a really good stir. Get everything nice and coated. This is such an easy casserole. I've been making this for years. Has very few ingredients. It's good. And it's actually pretty inexpensive to make. All right, got all that mixed. Now I'm gonna put it in the casserole dish. All right, in this bowl, I'm gonna add half of this stuffing mix. If you want to now I put the stuffing mix on the top of the casserole. Some people put it on the bottom of the casserole and the top, but I just do the top. If you want to do both, then you can put it all in here and then layer it at the bottom before you put the casserole stuff in, and then layer it on the top. But like I said, I'm just going to do the top. I've melted the couple tablespoons of butter, pouring this on. Might not use all of it. I'm going to stir it and see. Just want to give it a good coating. It gives it a little extra flavor. And you put it on top of the casserole. Okay, I think that is enough. Perfect. All right, now it's time to put all of this in the casserole dish. So I've got my greased casserole dish here. And I'm going to add the chicken mixture to the casserole dish. So like I said, if you want to put the cornbread stuffing on the bottom too, this would be the time to do it before you're putting in your chicken mixture. Okay. Just want to get all of this out. And then you're going to spread it. Okay. Just spread it along the bottom. Okay. All right, now we're going to add the buttered cornbread mixture on the top. Just kind of spread it out. All I think this is enough. Like I don't want to do the bottom and the top, but some people like to do that. For me, this is good enough. Okay, now I'm gonna put this in the oven that preheated to 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. All right, the chicken casserole is done, and now we are gonna give it a taste test. All right, it's time to taste the chicken casserole. I have my handy dandy
husband,
but also my taste tester with me. So now we're gonna give it a taste, okay?
you go first.
Me first, okay. All right. Here you go. I love this. It's just a good classic comfort food casserole. I love it. I've always loved it. I remember the first time I had it, I was in middle school, and my aunt made it. And I thought, oh my gosh, what is this delicious casserole? And I made my mom get the recipe, and we've been eating it ever since. And when I was in middle school, that was a long time ago. So I should tell you how long we've been eating chicken casserole. So
yeah, I mean it tastes like home. It tastes like when our kids were young.
Yep, comfort food for sure. Gotta make this. It's easy. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And we would love to have you subscribe to our channel. Until next time, cheers.